Are you trying to figure out how to add music to your Telegram story? You're trying to upload a photo or even a video and you're trying to figure out how to add music, but you're lost, like you don't know how to, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Telegram story. It's very simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the Telegram app itself, and here at the top corner, right top corner, you can see two options. One is edit, and another option you can see a plus icon, which is inside a circle kind of. So let's tap into that. So this is where you add stories and you can do stuff like that. So let's take a photo. Let's tap this one. And suppose you want to add a music to the story, right? So all you have to do is tap in this button, particular button. This is where you can find audio. So there are many options like link, location, and you can see audio option. Let's tap into that. And here what you have to do is you can simply tap in the music that you already have in your file. So let's tap this one. Now it's being exported to this story. So yeah, we can trim, you can choose which section you want to add. For example, maybe I want to make it shorter, like let's trim it. And yeah, so simply hit the next button and you can post a story like that. Now, since you're being able to add music to your Telegram story, you can add various music like that. It's very simple and have fun with it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.